First hydrocarbon will be alkanes. Alkanes are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen single covalent bonds. So, what are alkanes? Actually, it is definition of alkanes. So, alkanes are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons having carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen single covalent bonds. So look to the definition. Alkanes are, first thing, they are aliphatic compounds which we have just now seen or studied in the classification. Then they are saturated hydrocarbons. They are aliphatic because they are open chain. Then they are saturated. Saturated means having carbon-carbon single bonds, all single bonds. Then they are hydrocarbons again. Hydrocarbons means they contain only carbon and hydrogen as the only elements. Then they are having carbon-carbon single bonds as well as carbon-carbon hydrogen bonds, carbon-hydrogen single bonds, and those bonds are covalent bonds because we know there are types of bonds, maybe covalent bonds, ionic bonds, coordination bonds. Out of those, these are covalent bonds. Carbon-carbon single bond and carbon-hydrogen single bonds are covalent bonds. For example, methane, first simplest member of alkanes, this family, this homologous series, it is methane. Its molecular formula CH4. Its molecular formula is CH4. Its structure, complete structural formula will be CH. This is the complete structural formula of methane. And look here, all these are carbon-hydrogen single bonds, 4 carbon-hydrogen single bonds. There is only one carbon here, therefore no carbon-carbon bond is there. Carbon-hydrogen single bonds, these are covalent bonds. Carbon-hydrogen single bonds are covalent bonds. Another example, ethane, C2H6, 2 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. So this is ethane, structure of ethane, complete structural formula of ethane. So there is carbon-carbon single bond and there are some carbon-hydrogen single bonds. So such types of compounds are alkanes. Now, which are members of alkanes? You know, we have studied in the IPS nomenclature all straight chain hydrocarbons, that is methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane, then undecane, dodecane, tridecane, tetradecane, pentadecane, hexadecane, heptadecane, octadecane, nonadecane, and icosane. These are the alkanes with carbon atoms 1 to 20. So these are alkanes. These are the members of alkanes. General molecular formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. जनरल मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला अल्केन्सचा आहे CnH2n plus 2. ह्या फॉर्म्युल्यावरून आपण कोणत्याही मेंबरचा मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला काढू शकतो. तुम्हाला नंबर ऑफ कार्बन ॲटम्स माहित असतील तर त्याचा मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला तुम्ही काढू शकता त्या अल्केनचा. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला ऑफ अल्केन विथ carbon atoms 10. So 10 carbon atoms will be C10H22 because N is equal to 10. So C10, then H2 into 10, 20 plus 2, 22, like this. So molecular formula of decane will be C10H22. You can derive molecular formula of any alkane with the help of this general molecular formula. Only the thing that you should know properly is the name of that particular alkane having particular certain number of carbon atoms. So those names which I told you just now from methane to icosane. These are the alkanes having general molecular formula CnH2n plus 2, where N is number of carbon atoms. N here stands for number of carbon atoms.